the election of Bola Tinubu and the opposition coming from the opposition party, they've gone to court, they're rejecting it. Yeah. Does it in any way taint that victory?
Election of 2023, presidential and national assembly election have come and gone. To the glory of God, we have President-elect Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In every contest, there must be a winner and a loser. And of course, you can't stop those that lose from venting their grievances and pointing out flaws. In every system of governance, none is perfect 100%, or electioneering, none is perfect 100%. But let me tell you that substantially,